So a lot of people having this problem on how to get a student discount on an NFL Sunday ticket, and this is from the official, YouTube TV community manager. So first, you need to actually be eligible for this. You need to be 18 years of age or older, enrolled as a student at an accredited college or university, and verified as a student by Share ID. Okay, then you just go to youtube.com from a computer or mobile device, go to the NFL channel page, and select Get NFL Sunday Ticket. Okay, just remember the email address that you have used to sign in, because you need to use the same email address later when you verify your student status, right? So here, guys, okay, below the NFL Sunday Ticket page options, select eligible students can save with a student plan. Okay, and basically, eligible students who have already verified their student status with Share ID will see the NFL Sunday Ticket at its discounted price. So you want to choose whether you want to include the NFL Red Zone with NFL Sunday Ticket and just complete your purchase. And if you have never verified your student status, and if you haven't done this in the last 11 months, you'll need to instantly verify your student status. So you need to start your verification process, select continue, enter your full name, email, date of birth, student information, including the country or region where your institution is located, and your institution's name. And then just select verify my student status. Okay. And if you're instantly verified by Share ID, you'll see a success message before proceeding to checkout. And just choose whether to include NFL Red Zone with your Sunday ticket and complete your purchase. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.